Here we are with another vlog. So we heard some drums, and every time we get closer, it stops. Then when we get away, it keeps going and going.
It stopped right now.
Like if it, like when it stops and we leave away, it keeps going. It keeps doing the drum thing.
So that's kind of a mystery to us.
So if you guys hear it, we hear from. So we hear over here. So I live in an apartment.
Something bright in the air.
I know.
Bright in the air? Yeah. It
So
wasn't even blinking like anything.
so the drums are even coming more louder.
It probably could have been what's it called?
We're tired because we're running.
So
My friend Joseph was recording
no.
his video.
yeah, my video. Make sure you guys leave a like on that.
They barely
Getting closer.
started vlogging. So
This is our first time today.
we're gonna start running because when we get way farther, it keeps going more closer to us. So I'm gonna pause the video and we're gonna start running. I will just pause it when we get to our house. Bye. So we got back to the house and the drums stopped playing anymore.
They probably don't see us. So
So we're a little scared right now. I don't know why though.
I know. I'm kind of creeped up. But it might be up the other. Visita, cálmate.
Sorry, there's some dogs barking. Not bad, guys.
We're gonna get
So I'm gonna turn off the light right now since it's already bright in here.
okay, guys. Gotta go.
So we're going inside Joseph's home. So this is Joseph's and Jacob's house. They're brothers. And this is their bikes right here. They got a whole bunch of bikes.
Is that a little bicycle?
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes. For me it's 6 now. And they took a little part of this and made it to a different motorcycle right here. What happened to it? This is the kitty right there. It's a shy kitty. I will show you guys his house inside right now, right here. So that's his house. He got a whole bunch of movies right there. A Christmas tree. He got the TV in there. I can't go inside right now because his mom is doing some chores right now. She's cleaning the house. So that's why I didn't vlog in there. So I just showed you inside his house. So he has another room in there too.
Basically like 3.
Yeah, they have 3
One right there,
rooms.
one right there. 4. Well, bathroom. Yeah. Okay,
So
are you gonna go?
that's all for today. I guess the drums stopped playing anymore
Peace.
since we left home. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and leave a thumbs up.